Course book ki mga subu chapter The Indomitable Woman Pugilis of Manipur adumba Manipur ki leimai digi haukiba maithiba naidraba boxing sanaroi nupi ama khaki wari haidana ngasai akoi ki course book ki para akoi chapter 1 2 3 4 akoi nainagar matungda mga subu chapter oina nainagadori ne. It was a bright September morning with a deep blue sky above with pieces of white cloud floating here and there. The mild breeze met everyone fresh and energetic. From the veranda of the small house, Sanaikam called out, "Mary, Mary, where are you?" There was no reply. She muttered to herself, "Where has this girl gone so early in the day?" Coming to the gate, she looked around and saw the sprightly girl running and kicking a ball with some boys in a small field nearby. Seeing that, she smiled, but she called again, raising her voice slightly, "Mary, Mary, come here at once." The girl gave a mighty kick to the ball, turned and came running to her mother. Sanaikam said, "Mary, do you remember that you are a girl?" "Yes, mother, I remember." Adumba akuigi September thagi nongalakpa matam amakhak ta ngasagi wari si hogdorei hairiba ayuki matam ase aduki mipung gudima masata kata tekhatlakpa amadi mapangan fajana mapung phana leiba matam oiringai matam ni hairiba matam asida ngasagi Sanaikam kobi amakhakna maki beranda dagi maki mangon dagi mangna "Mary, Mary, nahaku kadai dabu leibage ne na kauduna tholami maduda kanagum amatna handna bakumamta piramde munung chonjarami." Sanaikam hairibna piesina madudi nubi micha sibu asungan basu kadai dabu chaligadabu kadai dabu chaligabno haidana adumaina sum kauduna thokpaduna thongan yaurami thongan yauraga mana koeng yam tamda adumna asagi nupi macha amakak masa yam khengna akoigi nupa macha kharaga ball sanaduna nak pada leiba labuk amada urami madu ubam tamda hojiki Sanaikam hairibna piesina nokphet tawrami aduga makon khara hautakna khara hauramna amuk kaurami, "Mary, Mary, come here at once. Mary, Mary, mafam asida thuna lao," haidna. The girl gave a mighty kick to the ball. Mayam sanaram liba ball adumana adukimati kanna kaurami aduga fat ana leithoraga mama tamna chela ame Mary mama na ngasai kauduna ngasai lakpo rame hairiba Mary mama sina hairame madudi, "Mary, do you remember that you are a girl?" Mary nahakpu ningsingdrabarane nang jinubi machane habisibo haidana. "Yes, mother, I remember." Machane piedana kumlame ima ai nubi machane habisai chapchane ningsingi. "Do you also remember what a girl is supposed to do first in the morning?" Ayu angan bada nubi macha kari tawani habisinang khangmanatra nubi machana haidra. Mary remained silent, but the mother continued. Mary do machin khumdar tumina luktharagalei mama du di makhata na dum nganglami. "A girl is supposed to help her mother in doing some of the domestic chores, and after that she has to study for some time, shouldn't she?" Ayuki matamdadi nupi macha bi kayadi mama gi mating pangaga amuk mating pangbudu loiraga lairi khara tawgadaba natra nei bema haidna mama adna makhata tharami. "Yes, mother, I can do that very easily." "Hoine mama na hairudu ai irai laina tawbu loina ngamine. But I want to play also. Mama du aidi sanabasu pami haidna. Please allow me to play freely. Aibu ining tamna sanabagi ayaba amuktadi pibiyone ima haidna." "Yes, you can play, but with girls only and not with boys. You remember that?" Adedi mama adna makhata na harbi nang sanabagi karigumba athingbamte imana leitene adubu nangna sanagadoribado nupamchaga sanagano nupimchaga sanawabinine aina haris nang ningsangadro haidra mama asna harami. "But I am bored with the games I play with girls. Adubu nupimchaga sanaba masana dadi mama aidi yam hainade aidi yam talli hana chan pisna khatarame. With the boys nupamcha singa sanabordi I can run, jump, kick and blow." Masagi chain chongdana dagi kaw thinna jagi ingaina dana adumaina pangan pudonaraga sanabado adu aidi mama ina pami ana machan pisna harami. "That makes me happy and satisfied." Madumna sanarkanda engonda nungaiba amadi penjaba phawi harami. This time the mother went on looking at her lively daughter with a meaningful smile and remained silent. Mama du ngasagi machanupigi wahe du ta matamda nokphet tawraga makha tana wadi ngangamdre. This is the way MC Mary Kom grew up into full girlhood, partly in the hills of Churachandpur district and partly in the Imphal Valley of Manipur. Mato sumna MC Mary Kom na masagi ma ki hor khibagi mong do sai nupa macha kaya ga sana sana duna ngasagi Imphal gi tampak ta khara bo orbusu natragana Churachandpur gi chingmai da bo orbusu adum hor khi. She is the eldest of the four children of H. Mangte Tonpa Kom and H. Mangte Sanaikham Kom. Mahagna machin manau sing among the Kwaidi Ahan Oirame, Maki Mama Mapai Mamina, H. Mangte Tonpa Kom, Amade H. Mangte Sanaikham Kom, Haidbashini. After matriculation, she started taking keen interest in some items of athletics like pole vault, javelin throw, discus throw, and sprint. Mahaki Mahimasing Tamba, si metric power Tamlama Matunda, di Mananga Sahi Masana Karada. Ngasai thawai yawa horami hari masana sing adudi pole vault, javelin throw, discus throw amadi sprint ngasai lamjel hari ba masana sing asida mak thawai yawa horami. She could not do anything really significant in these areas. Hari masana sing asidi ma thoidong na masak nai ba singthani hawi ba amat tawba ngamlamde. Then sometime in the year 2000 she happened to see some boys and girls being trained in boxing at Kuman Lampak Sports Stadium. Soon she joined the training and after that she did not look back. Adegi 2000 ki matamda ngasagi mahakna akoi ki Kuman Lampak Stadium da akoi ki sanaroi khara boxing sanaba ubudu dagi maksu madugi masana adu da yaushilami adugi matung tarakpadadi ma amohanna ma akoi ki atopa masana kaya da thawai yaupa adegi natraga haido haijin tawba wakhal choithokpa amata laikhidre madugi masana aduna mahakbu hen so masak Rigorous training under some of the leading coaches of Sport Authority of India at Imphal continued for months. In 2000, she became the best woman boxer in Manipur. After this, success and medals came to her one after another. Adegi Hari Masana Sigi training asimana Sport Authority of India Sai Hari Mapamesda Akanba Mong da training si chathara aga ngasagi apapa ba masagna bo zaguru nai raga ngasagi sanar paduna ngasagi mak masana asida yam chauna mai pak ngamlami maduna ngasagi mak ngasagi akoi Manipur gi khwaidi best woman boxer gi title phawa mak 2000 da phangba haurakhi. After this success and medals came to her one after another. In December 2000, she got gold medal in the 7th Open Men and Women Boxing Championship held in West Bengal. West Bengal the pangthokhiba adumba National Boxing Championship amadasu mahakse gold medal loba ngamkhi. Aduga loinana at national level, she got gold medal in almost all the national boxing championships for women held at various parts of India. Ato bampham da pangthokpa national championship khudimakta dimana ayamba loinamak gold loba ngamkhi. In the 32nd National Games held in Hyderabad, she won the gold medal. Adumba Kuntrani Shuba National Games Hyderabad pangthokhiba dusu masana sigi oina boxing masana sigi oina nupilagtadi mana gold medal loba ngamkhi. Her achievements in the international level also are really extraordinary. In the first Women's Boxing Championship held in Pennsylvania, USA, she got a gold silver medal. Aduga national level da mai pakpa khakta natramana international level da su mak yam chauna mai pakpa horami madudi world gi oiba ngasagi boxing championship da Pennsylvania da pangthokhiba adu da su nupi lakta ngasagi mana silver medal phangba ngamkhi. But in the 2nd, 3rd and 4th World Boxing Championships held in Antalya, Turkey, Podolsk, Russia and New Delhi respectively, she won gold medals. Adumba America, USA da ngasai pangthokhiba ahanba nupi boxing championship da mana silver medal lawkhra matung tarakpa ani suba hum suba mari suba dadi ngasai gi akoi gi keno da pangthokhiba boigera Turkey da pangthokpa boigera Russia da pangthokpa boigera India da pangthokpa boigera hariba mafam khudingmak tu da ma gold medal loinamak lawkhi. She got gold in 2nd and 3rd Asian Women Boxing Championships in Haryana and Kaohsiung, Taiwan also. India gi Haryana da amadi ngasai Taiwan da pangthokhiba adumba akoi Asian Women Boxing Championship tasu mana gold loinamak lawkhi. In addition to this, haiba sing asigi mathakta in the first World Women's Boxing Tournament held in Norway, she got a gold medal and was adjudged the best boxer of the event. Adu Norway da pangthokhiba adumba akoi cash prize leiba tournament boxing tournament adu su mahakna khwaidagi athoiba sanaroi su mingthol phangkhi loinana gold medal su lawkhi. The glorious record of success mentioned above is the result of a combination of talent, persistence and hard work. Hairiba asuk phajarba mai pakpa gi journey se masi mapung phalakpa gi maramdei maki masada yaujaba adumba thoidoi rokpa gun amadi pitorokpa amadi hanba leitaba amadi honaba kanba asina ni habisuni discipline deep sense of commitment to a cause and fighting spirit are also necessary for the kind of success that Mary Kom achieved. Mary Kom na phangli ba mai pak ba si phangnanoi damakta akhoi gi sanoi sing gi lagti gi biya na traga mahiroi gi lagto biya makhoi da chen ga gun harbadi discipline deep sense of commitment to a cause di karu mathabam tawum tamda madu chap chana firep lobong amba han banai da ba adumba amadi fighting spirit adu mayong na bangam bagi thona leba oigadabani haibe gun sing asi chelabadi Mary Kom phangli ba mai pak ba sugumna akhoi mioi khudimak phangmangam gani. In appreciation of her achievements, the Government of India honored her with the Arjuna Award in 2003 and the Padma Shri Award in 2005. Mahaki mai pak pasibu singthana boina mai masak khangbi boina ngasai Government of India na koi Bharat ki lengak na mahakbu 2004 amadi 2003 amadi 2005 da Padma Shri amadi Arjuna Award piki 2003 dan Arjuna Award piraga ngasai 2005 dan Padma Shri Award piki. In addition to these respectable national awards, she had been included in the People of the Year 2007 in Limca Book of Records. Adum bang asagi government ki mai kai digi kai khumna vote pi bagi mathak dang asagi lanaya to pa kaya na su mahakpu masak khangbi ba oina asagi Limca Book of Records hai basida 2007 gi oina mi khangat basing gi manungda mahaki maming chu yawi. In 2008, Reliance Industries Limited and the TV channel CNN IBN has awarded her as one of the real heroes. Adumba CNN IBN harba TV channel amadi adumba koi Reliance Industries harba chobina khulaba koi industries asinasu maonda ikai khumno utpoina ma ki achoba mai pakba dubu koi sakhangbi boina ngasagi masi real heroes haina thonba mingthol piba singi manungda maksu ama oiki. After 2 years sabbatical to raise her family, she returned to the ring and started training with all seriousness and dedication to win more laurels for the nation. Aduga mahakna sahi ani mahaki mayum makai panduna macha pokpagi damak suti laurami hairiba suti laur matungda amuk hanna magna sanabasida mu resume torpu matamdadi hena choba mingchat lebaki kayam porpa ngam khirame. And for a return magna sahi ani potharaga amuk halakpa mikup to the adumatik ningthi jana halak lami. In the 5th Women World Boxing Championship held in China in November 2008, she defied all odds by winning the gold medal in the 46 kg category. Aduga asagi mana masa poktuna mayum banduna chayeni suti lawraga halakpa matamda pangthokhiba adumba manga suba World Boxing Championship to China da pangthokhiba du November 2008 ta madudasu mahakna gold adumak lawkhi. This medal was her fourth successive gold medal mana thangna na loba sanagi takaman merak shuba hairiba masana sida phangba sina oiki. With this win, MC Mary Kom established herself as the most successful woman boxer of all time. Hairiba masana sida magna sanagi takaman lokhiba matungdagi di masana sigi oina di nupi lagdadi Mary Kom na khwaidigi athoiba boxer ni habise mag masamon utpangam gre. She was awarded the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 2008 for her brilliant performance and achievement in women's boxing in the world. Mahakpu asagi sanaroi singi marakta khwaidigi athoiba akoi gi mana India gi piba Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award haribase 2008 ta piki amadi asagi recently she also won the gold medal in Asia 2014 held at Incheon, South Korea in the 51 kg category at the age of 31. Sai kuntrabada shuzila phawada mahagna kg yankai matoi gi kanglupta sanaduna 2014 da ikui kuidana pangthokhiba adumba kanodu da su akoi gi games adu da su boxing gi lamda mana gold lauduna adumak magna sai khwaidigi athoiba adumba maithiba naidraba sanaroi habdo magna masana masabu uchaki tang isna hojiki Mary Kom gi parase koi losile.